Good morning. I am Everlyn P. Canyaveral. I live in Lemery, Batangas, Philippines, and I am an active member of the Republic of Bitcoin. I provided help last November 14, 2015 with the amount of $2,170. Last November 29, 2015, I provided a help of $760 and the last with $300 last December 12, 2015, running from my Extra, and it earned interest of $256.16, $162.12, and $62 accordingly. That sum up to my Get Help amount of $480 this 19th day of December 2015. On the same day, I received the amount in my wallet. That is too fast, and I am happy to have in my life. Thank you, Sir Brody. Thank you, global participants. is really amazing.